Budgeting is a crucial skill that can significantly impact your financial health, and one effective method to consider is the 20-30-50 rule. This straightforward budgeting technique divides your after-tax income into three categories: 20% for savings, 30% for discretionary spending, and 50% for essential expenses. By following this simple framework, you can create a balanced budget that not only helps you manage your money but also sets you on a path toward financial stability. Effective budgeting is essential for achieving your financial goals, whether you're saving for a home, planning for retirement, or simply trying to make ends meet. It allows you to track your spending, prioritize your needs, and avoid unnecessary debt. The 20-30-50 rule is particularly significant because it provides a clear structure that can be easily followed, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of their financial background. What's great about this budgeting technique is its adaptability. You can tweak the percentages based on your unique financial situation and goals. For instance, if you have high living expenses, you might allocate a bit more to essentials while adjusting your savings and discretionary spending accordingly. This flexibility makes the 20-30-50 rule a practical choice for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Understanding the 20-30-50 rule. The 20-30-50 rule is a simple yet effective budgeting method that divides your after-tax income into three distinct categories: 20% for savings, 30% for wants, and 50% for needs. Let's break down these components in detail. First, the 20% allocated for savings is crucial for building your financial future. This portion can go towards retirement accounts, emergency funds, or other savings goals. For example, if your monthly income is $3,000, you should aim to save $600 each month. Next, the 30% designated for wants allows you to enjoy life while still being financially responsible. This category includes discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Using the same income example, you would have $900 to spend on things that enhance your lifestyle but aren't essential. Finally, the 50% for needs covers your essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. For our $3,000 income, this means you would allocate $1,500 to ensure your basic living requirements are met. One of the key benefits of the 20-30-50 rule is its simplicity, making it adaptable for various income levels. Whether you earn $2,000 or $10,000 a month, this framework helps you maintain a balanced budget while prioritizing savings and enjoying life. Benefits of the 20-30-50 rule. The 20-30-50 rule offers numerous advantages that can significantly enhance your financial management skills. One of the primary benefits is that it promotes financial discipline and awareness. By clearly defining how much of your income should go towards savings, wants, and needs, you become more mindful of your spending habits. This awareness helps you make informed decisions, reducing the likelihood of impulse purchases and encouraging you to prioritize your financial well-being. Another key advantage of the 20-30-50 rule is its flexibility. This budgeting method can easily adapt to various financial situations, whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or someone navigating a career change. If your income fluctuates or your financial priorities shift, you can adjust the percentages to better fit your circumstances. This adaptability makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to maintain control over their finances. Moreover, the 20-30-50 rule can play a crucial role in achieving long-term financial goals. By consistently saving 20% of your income, you're building a solid foundation for future investments, retirement, or major purchases like a home. This structured approach not only helps you reach your immediate financial objectives, but also sets you on a path toward lasting financial stability and success. Embracing this budgeting method can truly transform your financial journey. Common mistakes to avoid. When implementing the 20-30-50 rule, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls that can derail your budgeting efforts. One of the most significant mistakes is inaccurately categorizing your expenses. Properly distinguishing between needs, wants, and savings is crucial for the effectiveness of this budgeting method. Misclassifying an expense can lead to overspending in one category while neglecting another, ultimately undermining your financial goals. Another common error is neglecting the savings component or overspending in the wants category. It can be tempting to indulge in discretionary spending, especially if you feel you deserve a treat after a long week. However, consistently prioritizing wants over savings can hinder your ability to build a financial cushion for emergencies or future investments. Remember, the 20% allocated for savings is vital for your long-term financial health. Lastly, failing to conduct regular budget reviews can lead to stagnation and missed opportunities for improvement. Life circumstances and financial situations can change, so it's important to reassess your budget periodically. By reviewing your spending habits and adjusting your allocations as needed, you can ensure that you remain on track to meet your financial goals. Regular check-ins will help you stay accountable and make informed decisions about your money, ultimately leading to greater financial stability. Tips for success. Successfully implementing the 20-30-50 rule requires a proactive approach to budgeting. One effective strategy is to use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses. These tools can simplify the process by allowing you to categorize your spending in real time, making it easier to see where your money is going. Many apps also provide visual insights and alerts, helping you stay accountable to your budget. Another important tip is to set specific financial goals to motivate adherence to the 20-30-50 rule. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or a down payment on a house, having clear objectives can keep you focused and committed. Break these goals down into smaller milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. This sense of achievement can reinforce your budgeting habits and encourage you to stick to your plan. Lastly, it's crucial to regularly adjust your budget as your income or expenses change. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation may evolve due to job changes, unexpected expenses, or lifestyle shifts. By reviewing and modifying your budget periodically, you can ensure that it remains relevant and effective. This flexibility allows you to adapt to new circumstances while still adhering to the core principles of the 20-30-50 rule, ultimately leading to better financial health and stability. In summary, the 20-30-50 rule is a powerful budgeting method that can help you take control of your finances. By allocating 20% of your income to savings, 30% to wants, and 50% to needs, you create a balanced approach that promotes financial discipline and awareness. This method not only simplifies budgeting for various income levels, but also provides the flexibility to adapt to changing financial situations. Implementing the 20-30-50 rule can lead to significant benefits, including improved financial stability and the ability to achieve long-term goals. By accurately categorizing your expenses, prioritizing savings, and regularly reviewing your budget, you can set yourself up for success in your financial journey. Now is the perfect time to start applying this budgeting technique in your life. Take the first step by assessing your current spending habits and making adjustments based on the 20-30-50 framework. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about effective budgeting strategies. Together, we can build a community focused on achieving financial wellness and success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.